here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider doing that. Also, give this movie a thumbs up and ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do upload a video. Today's video, what I'm going to do is my Boxycharm unboxing. I received this 2 days ago in the mail. I did open up. I have been playing with the products just a little bit because I think it'd be a little more helpful if you know the products that came in it, and then also like if I've been able to try them, what I think about them, because I can't always come back and do a review on all the products in it. So maybe if it's like one product in the box you wanted to get but you don't have the membership, I will let you know what I think about the products that came in it. I'm going to go ahead and open my box. It comes with a little card inside. So this is a $25 membership if you don't have Boxycharm. I kind of forget that not everyone maybe knows about Boxycharm. So it is a monthly subscription of makeup and skincare and a little bit of hair care. And it's $25 every single month. And then this month the theme was Mother Nature. It comes with a little card that has all the different products and the prices and descriptions, which I love because then I'm able to not only read the description but calculate every product together to see what the total value of the box is, which I'll let you know at the end of the movie. So the first product was a choice product. With Boxycharm you do get one choice item. So I chose the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. The description on the box for this product is a dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Elemis patent tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visible luminous complexion. So that's really nice. They retail for $59, so that's a really awesome price. That is twice the price of the box already. The next product that came in my box is the Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. This is a beautiful little palette. I did use this in a Get Ready With Me. It was my late night Get Ready With Me. I will have that link down below. And I did use this. I use actually this entire line right here. So I used the green, the gold, the two matte colors, and then the shimmer colors. I do really like Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. It blends really nice, and the metallics are really beautiful, and that palette retails for $29. Next product is my Tarte. This is the Miracle Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So this retails for $18. It is a little bottle. It's a really cute packaging. I love the palm trees on it. A cute little bottle. You open it up. Okay, that's awesome. So you open it up and then you can just push down to get the product out. So it's a micellar cleanser and makeup remover. So that's really awesome. Probably one of my favorite products that came in this box. This is the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick, and this is in the color Brulee. I saw that this had come in previous boxes, but I really wanted it. I never did get it. This isn't the best color for me. It's kind of pink and peachy, if you can see that. I'll actually give you a swatch. So there is a swatch. So I didn't know if I was going to like this, but I actually am wearing this right now. And what I did is I paired it with a darker liner. So it took it from this bright pink to this beautiful neutral nudie pink with a darker liner. I love this look. I also wore this in my late night Get Ready With Me. And I just really like this lipstick. I've worn it now probably, I think I've worn it every day since I've received it, and I really like it. I like the formula. It's a nice satin, lightweight formula, and it doesn't wear off weird. It lasts a really long time, and it is gorgeous. And this retails for $17. Alright, so the biggest data of the box is the Pretty Vulgar. This is the eyeshadow primer. This I also used in my late night Get Ready With Me. If you watch that video, you will see this was a train wreck. This was terrible. It burnt my eyelids. It was tacky. It made them feel heavy. It almost felt like I had Elmer's glue on my eyelids. And then whenever I do eyeshadow primer, I always take it all the way from my inner corner all the way out. And I could not blend anything around here. I couldn't blend concealer nor foundation here. All my eyeshadow looked really bad. This was a terrible product. I won't touch this to my eyelids again. I'm actually going to probably throw this out because I wouldn't want to give it to anyone because it is a really bad primer. So hopefully you don't get this in your box. If you do, I'm sorry. But everything else in the box is incredible and beyond the price of the Boxycharm box. So it's really not that bad. So that was my Boxycharm. I skipped the last month or two of Boxycharm unboxing because I haven't been extremely happy with my Boxycharm. I do pay for my own subscription. I have for a really long time, so I was considering canceling it, but I do think this box kind of redeemed Boxycharm in my eyes, and we'll see what happens with their previous boxes. I know everything with the pandemic's going on, so I'm thinking it's probably because of the pandemic they're unable to get new products, so they're using products from previous boxes. Which sucks, but I do understand because of everything that is going on. So I will continue to get my Boxycharm, and I will continue to share my unboxings on YouTube. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.